Treehouse Comics proudly presents Dogman and Cat Kid, written and illustrated by Dav Pilkey, as George Beard and Harold Hutchins, with color by Jose Garibaldi. Chapter 10, Beast of Eden. Finally, I made it out of this hole. Uh-oh. And now for the final touch.
Uh-oh, here comes the trouble. Whoa!
Yeah! Ha-ha! You missed! Triple Flip-O-Rama. Ready?
Hang on, lady. I'll get help.
Hey! Cat Kid, come back!
Hi, ADHD. You gotta come with me. We need your help.
He's just obeying you! I programmed him to do that! He's not really your friend! Obedience and friendship are not the same things!
Open up, ADHD. Enter main programming mode.
ADHD primary directive. Obey little Petey.
These are important words, ADHD. They mean you don't have to obey, and there is no primary directive. From now on, you can choose your own path.
ADHD, dumbest.
You don't have to be my friend anymore. You don't have to... Let's go save the world!
Soon, well, look who's back. I captured all of your friends while you were gone.
Not all of them. Get ready to get your butt kicked by my good friend ADHD. Hey ADHD, where'd you go?
This I gotta see.
ADHD! No! What happened?
Ha ha! I'll tell you what happened. The amazing Cat Kid replaced all of ADHD's atomic batteries with solar panels! It's been cloudy all day long, so ADHD couldn't charge up. And now it's nighttime. What's the matter, ADHD? Were you feeling a little run down? Maybe he just needs a little kick.
Papa, no! No!
Yup, I was right. All he needed was a little kick. Oh, quit your bellyaching. He was only a robot. Stop being such a baby. He wasn't even your friend. And besides, friends don't matter anyway. It's all about family. Your blood, your roots, your destiny. That's what's important. 1 hour later. If you don't stop crying, I'm gonna...
We're free!
Us too! What happened? Was it a meteor? A comet? An asteroid?
ADHD? How'd you do it? How'd you get your power back?
Chapter 11 of Rice and Yen, a mini-comic by ADHD.